What's up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be installing the fuel hangers on the Hyundai. Here is the brand new fuel tank hangers. I was driving to work a couple days ago and since I felt something hanging, scraping, and one of my hangers snapped right there. So just to fix it quick, I just have a bungee cord holding it, but everything is so rusted. You guys can see how that look right there. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start working with this. That's the hanger that snapped. So it shouldn't be that bad. I have 2 bolts on each one. And that one is, let's see, right there. So I got that one there. Then I have, let's see, what's the other one? Right there. And this hanger should come out. Alright guys, so first one is in. It's not as flush as I would like, but it's in right there. There it is. One more to go. Alright guys, so the last hanger is out. Right now I'm holding the gas tank with the jack. Let me show you why I decided to change them. You guys see it? That's the reason I decided to change them. This thing is super rusted and I don't want them to break. Something that I want to show you quick, even though they're the same. The new one is slightly longer than the old one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim those pieces because they're supposed to go inside a hole before they clap in. So I'm just gonna trim them to make my job easier and then put everything back. So I'll show you. Here I just cut the new hanger. I use a grinder to cut them. It's slightly smaller just to make my job easier because it's kind of hard to deal with this. Let me show you. So we're supposed to go in there, as you can see, and the problem is that the hanger, I need to put it sideways to make sure it goes into that hole in there and then flip it back. And since I have the e-brake line, have the muffler here, it's kind of complicated to angle the whole fuel hanger. But yeah, so let me put the new one and tie it up. Again, that one it's a 17mm. Alright guys, so here's the final product. Both hangers are in. They look amazing. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. My Hyundai has new fuel tank hangers. I hope if you're trying to do this on your own, it helps you. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a nice day.